You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more coming up at the end of the video. A Hebrew name, it comes essentially from Michael or Michael. It's generally pronounced in English as Mikey. Some may say it incorrectly or sometimes correctly. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Mickey, it's generally pronounced as Mikey. It's like Mike, but my key, as in I forgot my key. Mikey. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.